Hi, I'm Leslie Bartlett with Alegria Coaching. Today is day 20 of the Alegria Challenge, and today's simple way to create more joy and meaning in your life is to seek wisdom. Now, I'd like to dedicate this segment to my father, who was the wisest man I've ever known. And he passed away last year. The night before his memorial service, I was given this list of house rules. There's 5 rules he had written and posted on the family cottage up in Michigan, and I really wanted to share them with you. It says right here, prescription for whatever ails you. Number 1, at least 1/2 hour seated on front porch early each morning watching mist rise from river and meditating on God's world while sipping coffee or chocolate. 2, 1 hug minimum for and from each person at the cottage each day. 3, an afternoon nap, minimum 45 minutes daily. 4, tea and cookie each day between 4 and 5 p.m. 5, occasional tin roof sundae in the evening. Turtle sundae is suitable substitute. Occasional means not more than 1 per evening. And he signed it Dr. Know-It-All Bartlett. So humor aside, these were simple pleasures that really created more joy and meaning in his life. And I would call that wisdom. So today, I just invite you to seek wisdom and apply it into your life. And please share with us, what is a great piece of wisdom that you've already received? Just one simple thing.